let's try, ano ba to? Founder's Donuts. And then salted caramel coffee. I'll try also. Guys, bago na ang aking salamin. Ito yung isa pang angle.
How cool is it?
Pero mas mababa yun pag regular rice lang siguro. Hi guys, we're back in the car. I'm using the MagSafe again. I would give this a solid 6 out of 10. It reminds me of yung sa Coffee Bean. Milky siya compared to like Starbucks. We're on our way home na. Nag-try na ako malang saglit. Yung bangs ko guys. Hindi ko siya naaayos pero may bangs ako right now. Hi guys, good morning. Let's make my matcha for today. Actually guys, paubos na yung matcha powder ko. This is from Taiwan. My dad got this for me as a pasalubong. Hopefully, makahanap ako ng similar to this powder na I'm currently using kasi masarap to guys. As in, first time ko ma-experience yung real matcha experience with this powder. Kasi before this one, ang mga na-try ko pa lang is yung mga instant like from UCC. So we need to find a new one to try out. Also recently guys, parang walang masyadong structure yung paggawa ko ng matcha. So usually I make it sa bowl and then I add hot water and I use my whisk. But recently kasi parang nadadamihan ako sa dishes na I have to clean up. So I've been using this blender and then I also like the effect that it gives sa milk kasi it gives that thick consistency. Para siyang may bubbles, ganun. Hi guys and good morning. Welcome to another day in my life. It's currently 11:31 in the morning and I'm currently here sa table ko because I want to get some schoolworks done. My to-do list for today is I have to take down notes for one of my subjects, and then I have to prepare for an oral recitation on Friday. I also have an essay to write, which is due tomorrow. With that, I also have to read a book that's required for one of my subjects. And I also have a group project. I don't know if we're gonna have a meeting today, pero so far, so good naman. And then maybe after we can read my book. Update lang, I still haven't finished Chasing in the Wild. I know I said it sa last vlog na I was reading that book. Di ko alam, siguro nagigilty rin ako to read something for leisure kasi nga I still have a book to read for school. But before that, I want to do my devotion. So I already have my Bible prepared here with my devotion book and my notebook. I'm using my mic kasi baka hindi niyo ako marinig. It's currently raining kind of hard here in QC. I'm still drinking my matcha. I highly recommend to get something like this. Hindi siya mahirap hugasan, so hindi siya nakakatamad gamitin. And when I bring my drink upstairs, that's the tumbler that I use. So yeah, let's do my devotions first.
Waiting for Juliana. Juliana, Jules, or Julie? Matcha kami ni Ate. Okay. May pattern.
Ako pang neutralize.
May white naman yung mga damit niyo. Buti hindi nag-suspend ngayon. No?
Kaya nga eh.
Go, continue.
On our way to Sir
Sir Adrian.